Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Fast charging power bank, multi-device charging, dual inputs and 3 outputs. Small size, portable and handy. Compatible with FCP, QC, AFC and other quick charging protocols, it can quickly charge for Huawei, Mi, Samsung and other mobile phones. Ice cream machine. Sorbet is also known as fruit ice cream. Because its taste is similar to ice cream, it is also low-fat, features such as low calories, and popular among young people nowadays, and gradually become popular a healthy delicacy. Full fruit production. Feel the deliciousness of the sorbet machine. Quickly make ice cream with a shuttle-like making experience. Self-generating doorbell. The kinetic energy is converted into electric energy. No battery required, energy saving and environmental protection. IP44 waterproof grade. Don't worry about extended use in heavy rain. Signal is stronger, enhanced wall penetration and propagation distance. Mini Bluetooth speaker, low frequency pulse powerful bass, guided acoustic structure design, effectively enhance the bass. Cinematic 3D surround sound, guided acoustic structure design, effectively enhance the bass. Professional grade lossless sound quality, double layer biological diaphragm produces sound without distortion. Intelligent Ashtray. If you smoke frequently, you have seriously endangered the health of people around you. Family members who live with smokers will suffer from lung cancer several times more than ordinary people. Pregnant women, children, and the elderly are the first people affected by secondhand smoke. Air Humidifier, portable air conditioner, third gear wind, 120-degree adjustment, 2 levels of fog and colorful night lights. Efficient cooling, strong cooling. Say goodbye to the summer heat, imagine feeling cool and refreshing. Nano-atomization penetration technology will break up to form water particles, add air and let the temperature drop immediately. Toilet cleaning brush. Strictly prevent the spread of feces to protect the safety of the whole family. It melts quickly in contact with water and releases decontamination factors. Decontamination and deodorization. while cleaning bacteria and inhibiting bacteria. Juice cooking machine, vacuum broken wall cooking machine, light operation and heavy nutrition, make daily life healthy. 3D stainless steel cutter head 550 watts high horsepower motor, making the fineness to the extreme. Multifunctional approach, healthy taste. Vacuum stirring, vacuum preservation, keep food fresh at all times. Rainproof shoe cover. This product is made of PVC, non-slip, unscalable, easy to clean, and can be used for a long time. Smart Radiator Thermostat. Smart management temperature by mobile app, connection option, manual, to Zigbee. Multiple operation modes and rapid temperature rising function. Customized programmable schedule with weekly programming selection. User-friendly design of big LCD display with backlight screen, easy installation. Automatic cleaning range hood, 4-dimensional ring suction, open and close smoke. 22 cubic meters explosive suction volume. Fully enclosed double ball motor, 22 explosive suction. It only takes 2 minutes to change the air in the full kitchen once. Automatic opening and closing smoke guide plate. Somatosensory operation waved away. Wide smoke, 8P large screen, high temperature heat cleaning. Smart curtains opener, open and close curtains regularly. Graffiti app control, control the curtain to be fully open / half open or close. Luminosity sensor, temperature sensor automatically closed when the temperature is greater than the set temperature. Support single opening or double opening. Support remote control need to be equipped with a gateway. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.